Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to create a parameter in Power BI. So here we have this visualization, and let's say the user wants to change this from sum of sales by market to maybe sum of sales by city or by country. So we can build a parameter for this. So what I want you to do is come to the top panel, click on modeling, click on new parameter, and you can do numeric range or fields. For this one, we'll do fields. Okay, leave this one as it is because that is what we selected. And we can rename this, right? Let's say custom selection. Okay, and then we need to come here and select fields. So let's go to orders. This is my sheet, and then I'll pick city, country, and let's say market. Make sure this one is toggled on, add slicer to this page because that is where they're already selecting from. So come here and click on create. There we go. Just give it a few seconds. And then what we need to do is come and click on this visualization again. And here where it says x-axis, I need you to go ahead and drag your parameter. So here we have our custom selection. So I'll drag it here in the x-axis. We're going to remove market. And now they can easily come and select from this slicer, whatever parameter they want. So let's say they want to change to country. They can view the visualization as such. Okay? And it's really that easy and simple.